night sky vast, stars twinkle bright, each ray a breath flowing with light. Close your eyes, resonate with starlight, each glow a whisper of love. Soul in the stars quietly expands. Each inhale draws starlight into the heart. Each exhale lets worries fade with a glow. Thoughts drift like wind with the stars. So clear, calm as a lake, spirit gently embraced by starlight's glow. Oh, breath of the stars softly blooming, oh, glow of the heart gently looming in this endless starry sky. I find healing peace I embrace. Galaxy flows weaving with the light, each star a message of love. Body light, soul free, joy flows like water, gentle and clear. Spirit soars freely in the stars. Starlight whispers, timeless and true, each ray a gift of grace anew. In the depths of the stars I hear soul and cosmos in harmony near. Moonlight falls, the night aglow, each breath unlocks the soul. In the stars I breathe freely, soul in radiance dancing evermore. Peace and love fill every space. Oh, breath of the stars softly blooming, oh, glow of the heart gently looming in this endless starry sky. I find healing peace I embrace. Star stream flows through time and space, each twinkle a baptism of grace. In its glow my soul unfolds, heart and cosmos one in the glow. Calm like water endlessly flows. Stars hum softly, nourishing the heart's lake, each moment a blessing for healing's sake. In the starlight's embrace I feel soul and eternity in gentle accord. Night sky shines, igniting hope, Night sky vast, stars twinkle bright, each ray a breath flowing with light. Close your eyes, resonate with starlight, each glow a whisper of love. Soul in the stars quietly expands. Each inhale draws starlight into the heart. Each exhale lets worries fade with a glow. Thoughts drift like wind with the stars, so clear, calm as a lake. Spirits gently embraced by starlight's glow. Oh, breath of the stars, softly blooming. Hope of the heart, gently looming. And in this endless starry sky, I find healing, peace I embrace. Galaxy flows, weaving with light, each star a message of love. Body light, soul free, joy flows like water, gentle and clear. Spirit soars freely in the stars. Starlight whispers timeless and true, each ray a gift of grace anew. In the depths of the stars I hear soul and cosmos in harmony near. Moonlight falls, the night aglow, each breath unlocks the soul. In the stars I breathe freely, soul in radiance dancing evermore. Peace and love fill every space. Oh, breath of the stars, softly blooming. Glow of the heart, gently looming. In this endless starry sky, I find healing, peace I embrace. Star stream flows through time and space, each twinkle a baptism of grace. In its glow my soul unfolds, heart and cosmos one in the glow, calm like water.